Hey everybody, I am Katelyn James. I am so excited that you have found my YouTube channel. I was a blogger for over a decade, and now I have transitioned into becoming a YouTuber. KK. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm just a girl. So I used to share everything from family to photography to education. I would share every aspect of my life, and that is what you can expect to find on this YouTube channel. Go. These are all of my family DSLR photos that tell a story of our full year.
Different role play. Sorry.
No, I'm working.
Skin tones. And let me just show you before, because a lot of times that was before. Yikes. In case we have never met before, I'm Katelyn, and I am married to my high school sweetheart, Michael, and together we are a husband-wife photography team, and we've been doing that for over a decade. I'm also the mom to 3 beautiful children, 2 of which are here on this earth and 1 baby boy in heaven. I love home decorating. I love everything about home design, and I also love bringing people into our journey as parents. We've decided that video and YouTube is the best way that we can authentically let people into our life and share our story. So if you are here and you're excited to follow along on our journey and see how we combine faith and family and business all in one, you are in the right spot. We are so excited that you're here. Make sure that you subscribe below so you don't miss out on anything, and I will see you in our very next video. That's perfect. That's it.
Really?